Get ready for some dusty action. Welcome to Harvesting Power Tech, where chainsaws roar and powerful log pullers shine. With every cut and pull, we show off both power and precision. All up, fire up your chainsaws and get ready for some fun. Here's the M500E1000 wood grinder, a beast in the forestry world. Designed for 18 to 25-ton excavators, it's got 230 horsepower and hydraulic flow that keeps up with the toughest jobs this compact, heavy-duty machine can tackle. Trees and dense brush with ease. Don't be so quick to disparage old equipment, everyone. Take a look at this Lamete 100. It looks like scrap, but who would have thought that with a little effort and knowledge, it could become a valuable war horse? It's true that sometimes the best things are the ones you already have without even noticing. So, before you throw something away, think about whether it can be repaired or used for something else. This driver has nerves of steel. I will tell you, his car was like sliding on snow. Practically feel the tension through the screen. He will make it, he will not stay. Check out the Komatsu 951XC harvester. With its hydrostatic transmission and rugged undercarriage, it handles tough ground like a pro. The C160 for harvesting head, pure genius. It measures logs with pinpoint accuracy and reduces fiber damage. All thanks to smart computer control, it's efficient, environmentally friendly, and perfect for heavy-duty forestry work. This machine's not just tough, it's smart, too. Who says you can't have power and precision all in one? If our video amazes you, drop a comment. Your support is the fuel that fires up our creativity. Imagine you're out there, faced with the challenge of chopping down a monkey puzzle tree, a tree that's as tough as its name suggests. Its sharp branches make it one of the toughest trees to cut down, but with the right tools and techniques, you can get the job done without causing too much chaos. Amazing! I never imagined that tractor would make it out of there. The driver really did an incredible job. He's a true hero. Look at the size of this camphor tree. Folks, the base is so big though. I'm sure there's a whole complex root network under the ground. Getting this tree out is going to require a long, multi-stage operation. Let's see how the crew tackles this giant. Will they need heavy machinery, or can they handle it with just their expertise? If you want to see a jungle cleared in no time, the Barco 930 is the ultimate companion with the power of a jungle warrior. It tackles everything from trees to roots, leaving the ground as clean as if you had used a big vacuum cleaner. This is the kind of machine that makes cleaning more fun than ever. Prepare for an intense, jaw-dropping show as massive shredders chomp through wood like it's nothing. This isn't just any wood chopping. This is the ultimate display of power as giant machines devour logs of all sizes, spitting out nothing but tiny wood chips in their wake. The relentless sound of engines roaring, metal teeth grinding, and logs being pulverized fills the air as the machines feast. It's fast, it's loud, and it's absolutely mesmerizing. The skilled driver, low tire pressure, and perfect gear ratio made the drive possible, but the real hero in this video is the person who filmed it. I cannot believe how steady it is for the terrain that they are on. Wow, look at that. This is the real display of power and skill. Watch how this vehicle crosses the stream with ease. The Master 8x8 is the ultimate machine for tough jobs. With 8 powerful wheels, it easily moves over rough terrain. It is not only extremely efficient, but also gives you the feeling of commanding a monster in the forest, making your work faster and easier. You know, working in the woods is like life. There are days when you love it, when you feel like you're one with nature. And then there are days when you just keep trying, hoping to get there. But the most important thing, everyone gets home safely at the end of the day. And that's the real victory for me. Drop one in the comments if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. Picture this, it's a crisp autumn day. The air smells of wood smoke. And there you are, effortlessly splitting logs with a split force 1320 ton, with its beastly 26.5 ton splitting power. This machine turns any log into firewood in no time. The smooth hydraulics and lightning-fast cycle time make it almost relaxing, letting you enjoy each split as you stack the wood pile higher and higher in just under 20 minutes. If you are facing muddy terrain, then the Deer is your best ally, with a handling capacity of up to 9 tons. This machine is designed to perform well even in harsh conditions. Muddy terrain, no problem. The Deer tackles them like it is a walk in the park. Oh no, it looks like we have a tractor stuck in a creek. This is one of those classic oh no moments when things don't go as planned. The wheels are spinning, the engine is roaring, but it's not going anywhere without some serious help. It's a reminder that even the most powerful machines can get stuck in nature's tricky spots. That wraps up today's adventure. If you love seeing these massive machines in action, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment. See you in the next video. The forest is waiting.